So if you're considering renting out an RV to generate income on the Outdoorsy platform or any of the other platforms for that matter, there are some expenses to consider. I've been renting out my RV on the Outdoorsy platform since 2018, and since that time I've learned about many of those expenses. So in this video, I'm going to share and break down 5 hidden expenses that I believe really eat into your RV rental income, and hopefully some tips on how to minimize them. So let's get into it. Personal vehicle insurance is something that you have to cover your RV, especially if it's being financed. However, in many cases, personal insurance companies will deny coverage if the RV is being used for commercial purposes, like being rented out. And in those cases, some companies like Roamly or MBA, they'll offer you the personal and commercial coverage, but usually at a higher rate. And ultimately, that eats into rental income. So it's always important to shop around for the best rates and consider companies that will let you use the RV for personal and commercial use. So the Outdoorsy platform charges the host or the RV owner a rate of 20 to 25% as a fee to use the platform. And that is calculated off of the subtotal, which is including, the total price of the rental, any add-ons, cleaning fees, or any delivery fees, or any other type of fees that you may add on. Outdoorsy charges all hosts who start out on the platform a 25% fee. And as your revenue increases, that fee is decreased. So it could be anywhere from 15 to 25% based on the revenue that you're generating with your bookings. And obviously you can see that can start to add up over time and then ultimately cut into your rental income. Storing RVs can also be something that's kind of tricky. If you don't have a big property, especially if you have multiple RVs, that can be tricky. You don't have a lot of space to store. And that's where storage facilities come into play. And I've seen costs range anywhere from $60 all the way up to $500. And that's depending on the location of the storage facility, the type, whether it's enclosed, a big open lot, or if it's fenced in. And as you can see, that can start to add up over time and really eat into your overall RV rental income profits. Mechanical issues don't happen consistently, but they do happen. And those are the responsibility of the RV owner. And so things like, generator starters, fuel filters, fuel pumps, igniters, electrical components, all those things can fail, and those are the responsibility of the RV owner, which means that the RV owner is coming out of pocket to pay for those things. So you can see over time, those can start to add up and eat into your RV rental income profits. Maintenance is a consistent activity that is vital to the condition of the RV. And it's not only for the use of the renter, but it's also to help prevent bigger, more costly problems in the future. Things like regular oil changes, tire replacements, tire rotations, cleaning and stocking of cleaning supplies are all components of maintenance and can easily start to add up and dig into the RV rental profits. So it's best to buy in bulk when possible, and if you can, DIY as many things as possible. So there you have it. Those are my 5 hidden expenses that can really dig into the RV rental income overall. If you're just getting started, I wouldn't be discouraged by this. These costs are all manageable, and if planned ahead, can really be minimized. I think it's also important to keep in mind that this is a business and that many of these expenses are tax deductible. So if you found value out of the video, consider subscribing and hit the like button. And if you have a question or a comment, leave that in the comment section below. As always, thanks for supporting the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.